what's up? Right now we're gonna make some pancakes. Heather's mixing it up right now.
So
Justin is getting the pan ready.
Where are the ingredients? Oh, they're over there.
Here we go.
We have Pamela's gluten-free pancake mix, and the recipe says that you should use like eggs and oil or whatever, but we just mix it with water and it works out. So, and then we have syrup. You always got to bring syrup. And Justin brought some oil to use to put in the pan. So I just mixed the flour with water, and then we just put it in a bag and then cut a little hole in it. What's the secret to making good pancakes, Justin?
Yeah, Justin. What's the secret?
Well, first you get your oil in your pan hot first. Never put anything into a cold pan.
Okay.
Very well. 2.
Here we go.
We're gonna switch.
Okay.
Careful, careful.
Flip the pancake once.
Whoa!
Wow, that's a lot runnier than the last one.
Yeah, it's good, it's good. There we go. Look at that, no spatula.
We have a spatula
Okay.
actually, a little mini camping
That's my camp
spatula.
Oh my gosh, some mouse is really pissed. Took her spatula.
I loosened it for
Ooh,
you.
here we go.
Show that golden color.
Boom.
Perfect pancake. All right, so we're gonna make 3 of these bad boys, and
We're gonna taste.
we're gonna
test
taste them.
Yo.
This bad boy's cooking. 2 down, 1 more to go. Yeah.
Justin's loading up the syrup.
Oh yeah.
I already got syrup in all of my holes.
Oh yeah.
Syrup in the holes.
Justin just made 3. We're gonna eat them and give you some little play-by-play action on here.
Oh, they're delicious.
I like that they're
First
like
note.
they're crunchy. There's like some crunch. That oil is definitely helping.
Is it? Hold on. See here.
Like
They're pretty
pancakes.
good. Okay, so what's missing that you would usually put in here?
Egg.
Oh, just the egg. Okay.
And Justin sometimes brings cinnamon, but he didn't bring cinnamon this time.
Dude, you got mad pancake skills. These are legit.
These are really good.
And they're really easy to make when you're camping. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
They are. Well, and it's
Pancakes are
powder,
great.
so all you have to add is water. I mean, that's like a whole bag. So there's lots of calories in there.
Oh my gosh, so good.
They're super easy. I mean, you just heat the pan.
Do you have pancakes every morning when you're camping, pretty much?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't like oatmeal, and there's not a lot of other backpacking foods. So
Why eat oatmeal when you can have pancakes?
yeah, pancakes are wonderful.
Who doesn't love pancakes?
And like, if you're backpacking or camping, this is a really great start to your day. Like,
Yeah.
It's really,
Yum,
yeah.
yum. Yumzers.
It's high calorie, got some syrup and sugars in there.
Especially if you're hiking a lot. If
You
you're
got some
covering
complex
some
carbohydrates.
miles.
These are very
Pancakes.
complex. Very complex.
You know, most people these days are really excited about protein, like protein, but the truth of the matter is, you need your energy.
Need energy.
And if you're hiking like 11 miles in a day or something, you really need calories.
Or, you know, if you're hanging out by a river doing nothing mostly.
Doing absolutely nothing but celebrating your engagement.
Oh, yeah.
Joey, they got engaged.
I know that too.
You want to see the ring?
Yeah.
Let me show you.
Bam,
Just a little excited.
bam, bam. Excited. Alright,
Okay,
overall,
let's make some more.
I would say that these pancakes are a success.
I'd say 10 out of 10.
Good.
Wow.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even think that. I mean,
I think they're
9.5
even
out
better
of 10.
than the ones we have at home. They're so crispy.
Okay. Thanks for watching. These are delicious. Recommend it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make some more.
Yes. Oh, and they're gluten free.
Oh yeah, gluten-free.
Oh, and they're gluten
They
free.
just happen to be.
And they're
'cause
gluten free.
I have a problem. But
Gluten
Hey,
problem.
Let's make another one.
All right.
Let's make one of those smiley faces.
Make some more. Thanks for watching.